Hello, this is Mike Smith at Superior Van and Mobility. I'm going to show you today the new 2021 Chrysler Voyager. Voyager has the Braun XT conversion, which gives you a 57-inch door height. It's got one of the widest door widths in the industry. It's got a 1,000-pound weight capacity on the ramp. It's an all-power ramp. The 2021 Voyager interior comes with a backup camera, nice screen. It's got your warnings as well. It's got tri-zone heating and air. It's got your Bluetooth. These are speakers for the Bluetooth up here. You can pair your phone. The Braun XT conversion comes with removable seats. They're very easy to remove. It's a plug and play. You just unplug this here, kind of plug it out here to get it out of your way. Simply grab the handle, lift up. The seat base is on wheels. Roll it out, store it in your garage or anywhere that it's out of the way. And once the seat's removed, you can see all the room it gives for the wheelchair to be able to park here. And you have the tracks in the floor for tie downs, and you also get a seatbelt attachment that you attach and use this seatbelt here. It's very easy to remove and very easy to put back in. Stop by one of your local Superior Vans and take a look at the new 2021 Chrysler Voyager with the Braun XT conversion, or you can visit our website at superiorvan.com.